That is command line G. 52 languages can translate. Nice, compact. The hand have two buttons on different sides. For example, here like English to Spanish. Let's see how it's work. We just click and hold. I like to go home. Have to hold it.
Nueva Esperanza, me gusta ir a casa.
Nice. And another side, click. You can translate from, like you see, yellow to blue. Translate from Spanish to English. Hold it. ¿Cómo está?
How are?
Something like that. It's touchscreen. Have to connect it to Wi-Fi to get all 52 different languages here. Wi-Fi connection. Nice unit. For example,
Uno.
Can teach you language also.
Uno.
Okay, let's see. English to Russian. For example, I won't go to the store.
Я хочу, чтобы пойти в магазин.
Something like that. Nice, okay. And from Russian to English. Я улетаю завтра.
我明天。
Я иду бегать.
我打算运行。
Interesting. It translates from Chinese to
我打算运行。我打算运行。我打算
Chinese to Russian. Have to change English. Okay, change English just like that, easy. Let's try again. Я иду на тренировку.
Dune to Narrows.
Something like that, and have to be internet connection with Wi-Fi to get all languages. Small, compact. Thank you for looking. Good luck.